bread. Talk to me, Capo. What's finna go on?
We're finna raise, hope to win.
Yes, sir.
We're going out there to knock each other head off. We don't know what we're gonna do, but we're going out there to do it.
Y'all ain't scared. Y'all go race though.
Oh no, we scared. Can't be scared to race.
Yes, sir.
I ain't never seen a scared man scared to race.
Yeah.
We're in the box. We had to fix our dough.
I seen it.
And we went to work. Hope the dough stay there and we do the rest.
There it is. On the bit stage. Backstabber.
I tell you, like, you ain't shit. Alright. I ain't gonna take a board this thing now. Take it
Backstabber with the win, y'all. Backstabber. Look at this dude. Where my beer, man?
He don't got it no more. He don't got it no more. Hey, he don't got it no more.
Yo.
He went red for that motherfucking bread.
Red for the bread. Red for the bread. Woo! Red light. What's up, man? What's up, man? Yes, sir. Ain't win like that, cuz. Right. Night. That's right. 2-0. Yeah. Can't win like that, cuz. He had the quickie finger. Y'all. To the no, hell no. To the no. Hell no. To the no. Hell no. To the no. We moving on up like the Jeffersons say, y'all. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. We like the Jeffersons, baby. Moving on up. Oh, 2-0, baby. Man, we were running that pretty Camaro. Joseph Wells, Frankie Garano, out of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. I put him out there in the ocean, Myrtle Beach.